Kalimutan natin mamaya na i-level ng controller. So pinagkating para dadaan yung water line and storm line the other side. So ito guys, another video, another content, another thing. Yung community, yung houses, at saka may park. Tapos yung ating machine, it's sitting up there. Dito guys, balik na trabaho natin. Dito kami ngayon guys, tirada na naman. Yung kaibigan natin Mahataw. Then grabe yung arangkada ng 670, mabilis lang. Pagawakan niya. So let's watch our mainline digger breaking down the dirt over there. It's Nathan, the great man. Our foreman Mike. Okay guys, manood muna tayo habang pinag-knockdown na yung dirt. Then after that, we will gonna go down and level it up, spot it up for the packer. That's the last lift, final lift. Dahil magkukay pa rin tayo ng storm line and water line outside. So, what's up guys? What's up sa mga katrupa natin dyan, kaibigan natin? Watch out for Blue Cone team. Andito, malalaking Blue Cone. Be proud as a being Blue Cone guys. Good friend, good co-worker, good company. Oh my goodness, ang saya-saya. So for those people are looking at job, go to Blue Cone office, apply. This is a good company. You will not get regret if you will get a job in this company. Masaya dito guys, masaya at nakakasama. Halo-halo. So i-tour natin kayo guys. So kawawa tayo mamaya sa paglilinis ng truck natin. Punong-puno na naman ng putik. Oh my goodness. That's okay, still lots of water in there, so I don't care. We need to clean, we clean. Why not? So kahit sa kaibigan natin, there's lots of mud on this truck. That's okay guys. So that's it guys. Hanggang dito muna yung ating video. Maraming salamat at God bless po sa ating lahat. Bye bye, bye bye, and thank you guys once again.